Hello and welcome to another episode of the Classic Mini Hub. In today's episode I'll be changing the oil. The first thing to do is to remove the sump plug. Now all the old oil is draining out. As you can see, it's running all down my sump guard, but not to worry, as I have an easy method to clean this later. As you can see, the magnetic sump plug has a small bit of swarf, so I need to clean the shaft before I put it back in. Now the oil has drained, it's time to put the plug back in. Here is my handy sump guard oil cleaning tool. Now it's time to change the oil filter. It's really stuck on and my removal tool didn't work, so it's time to use a little bit more persuasion. And finally it's loose. Time to put the new filter on. Make sure to remove the protective film first. Always make sure you lube the rim before screwing it on. Now it's time to add the new oil. Let it drain down through the engine. Time to start the engine and see if we get oil pressure. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.